How to attract girls without saying anything. Today, we're going to show you 8 techniques to attract women without talking by utilizing your body language to entice any female to pursue you. Even when they're quite good at chatting to ladies, most guys discover that there's a lot more to it than that. And most of the time, a fundamental lack of body language awareness is a big part of what's lacking. Today, we'll teach you how to be charming, confident, and unmistakable when it comes to attracting women with body language alone. Let's get started. Number 1, contact with the eyes is fluid. You have to be fluid with your eye contact if you want to show a female that you're cool and she can chat to you. As a result, your eye contact must not appear rehearsed. To begin, focusing on the pupil and smiling rather than simply the eyes ensures that you create purposeful and warm eye contact. Second, you don't appear overly focused since you're looking away. Number 2, take a stand. You must have a confident and strong position if you want to attract ladies. Standing with your feet shoulder width apart is a good place to start. This will assist you in seeming large. When you put it all together, you've got a great posture that will not only make you look good, but will also make you stand out. But you'll attract females without having to do anything else. Number 3, play your cards right. Always want to be seen as open or friendly, no matter what you're doing. That doesn't mean you have to stand there with your palms out, since that would be strange. However, if you can incorporate some open, palms up hand gestures into your conversation or interaction, you'll find that ladies will naturally gravitate towards you. Number 4, fight fidgeting. A man who is continuously fidgeting and moving about will be perceived as uneasy and out of control. Slowing down your motions gives the impression of directness since they are more deliberate and purposeful. Because a man who moves in a calm, collected manner will naturally attract women's attention. Number 5, declare your bias. Instead of revealing their intentions, nice guys will attend locations where females expect guys to be a bit more upfront, a little more forward. Keep in mind that in some social occasions, girls like a flirty guy. After that, grin when the female you're interested in notices you're eyeing her out. Number 6, self-repair. Ladies notice everything you do, no matter how minor it appears to be. So don't be afraid to let her see you fixing your hair or straightening your shirt for her, if it comes across naturally. Not only does it show her that you care about your appearance, but it also keeps her from guessing if you're interested or not. Number 7, self-confident. Stick your chest out and draw your shoulders back if you want to appear accessible. This stance demonstrates what attracts women the most, confidence. If you watch any superstar, rock star, or champion walk, you'll notice that they constantly walk in this manner, and there's no reason why it won't work for you as well. Number 8, follow in her footsteps. If you spot a female from across the room fixing her hair, odds are that you'll mend anything on yourself without even thinking about it. You can seize the moment and use the opportunity to send some nonverbal flirtation her way. You can use it to build a sense of familiarity with a girl, that will get her to come talk to you. Crossing your arms is a body language no-no that should be avoided if you want to attract ladies to approach you without even speaking to them. When girls notice them, it's almost as if they don't have a choice but to stop talking to you, even if they are. Crossed arms are such an issue because they provide a clear signal that you should not approach. Are you ready to try?